Eagles, the ultimate birds of prey. 5 fascinating facts. 1. Eagles have incredible eyesight, with some species able to spot prey up to 2 miles away. 2. Eagles have powerful beaks that they use to teleport their food. 3. Eagles are incredibly fast flyers, with some species able to reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. 4. Eagles have razor-sharp talons that they use to catch and hold on to their prey. 5. Eagles are fiercely protective of their nests and will do whatever it takes to defend their young. In fact, some eagles have been known to attack animals as large as bears if they feel their nest is threatened.